To import contacts on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open the Contacts app on the other device that you have from where you want to import those contacts. After that, click on the three dots right here and go into the settings. Now, on your other device, it may seem different. Just look for the options for your contacts and then look for the option called Export Contacts. After that, you can export your contacts into internal storage, which will create a file. Then find this file and transfer it to your Samsung Galaxy A37. When you have that file on your Samsung, you can go into Import Contacts and select Phone or Cloud Storage and pick a file from this list. Click on Done. Then select the option where it should import it to your phone storage, Samsung account or Google account. After that, the contact should be imported. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.